Hello guys, my name is Jesse Caps. I am a former professional poker player. A little bit about myself. I've grown up my whole life in Las Vegas and been playing poker professionally for 7 years. I made this blog to show you guys, the audience, what the poker world is like from my point of view. It's been a little dull the last few years, so I really want to do something to spice it up, bring back poker to life, and I think I'm the guy for the job because I really do love this game and I have a lot of enthusiasm about it. So guys, check out my vlog. I'm starting off with my past, see what it's like. I want you guys to see how the struggles and the triumphs of my past, and then we'll dive into my new vlog. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, so just busted my 6th bullet. Things aren't going too well for me, and here's the truth of the matter, guys. Poker's fucking depressing. There's no way else to say it, but like, if you're like me, you've been just traveling the circuit for the last 5 years, you get to realize sometimes that like there's a lot of variance in this game, and even if you win one day, the next day you could be really sad, talking up to having fun, and just say, oh, I'm here, I'm retired, I'm having fun, but like, you know, I want to win. The truth is I do want to win, and I don't seem to be able to do that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't want to stop playing, but I might have to go back to Vegas and you know, get a real job, start the grind. Maybe it's just time to rack it up, or at least you know, just grind it out harder, study more, you know, figure out my life. But for anybody who wants to be a poker player out there, you better be a robot, because if you have emotions in this game, you'll be dead at 60 if you start when you're 21. Too many emotions, too much heartache. True life.
This. Jesse Caps. God. A, B, 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 A, B. He does get A.
Oh yeah, I got it. All right. Even when I was young, I always thought of myself as a winner. I did well in school, tennis, and now I plan on taking over the poker world. 2015, I had it all. I had a smoking hot girlfriend, graduated college, had a 6-pack, and I was rubbing shoulders with the biggest celebrities of the game. I headed to my first big tournament trip and took 7th place for $58,000. I thought I was rich. I couldn't lose at poker.
Only a queen for Jesse, otherwise we're going to be 4-handed still, with Michael Murphy having almost 1 million chips. Oh! Oh, man. Ay-ya. Ay-ya. What can you do? Jesse Caps taking down that pot.
I rented a condo in Panorama Towers, and for the next few years, I traveled the circuit, paying for everybody's drinks and dinners, and partying the night away. Hey, you guys want a drink? I got you. Unfortunately, my story doesn't end there.
You didn't burn. You didn't burn.
Yeah, you didn't burn.
God damn it! No! No! Try it again.
Oh my god.
Nice. I got nut.
Oh my god! I hate you so much.
Nut in 2 pair.
Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? No, you're joking me, right?
He didn't burn, Jesse.
He didn't, but Jesus. Nut in 2 pair.
Dude,
fucking teeth.
What the fuck is that, dude?
9's full of 8s.
I'm so sick of losing. This is unbelievable. Like every day, like every fucking day, I just lose.
Hey, yeah,
I'm just gonna give up poker.
I'm open-ended there. I got a king-eye flush draw.
Hey, did I get half money? Yeah, you guys chopped up my money, dude.
I know.
I would have called with you.
I want to play for 2 hours. I just didn't want to.
I only did it because I know I'm
gonna chop my money. Might as well just
open-ended
quit poker, man.
Your spot is perfect to shove there against his stack. Like, you know you're getting knocked out.
Lost all my money.
I did it.
Yeah, you cash game again.
How does it feel to lose? I just couldn't call your.
I'm so sick of losing, man. I'm so sick of losing. I lose like every single day. It's unfucking believable.
What kind of camera is that?
It seems like, dude, I used to win every day and I can't even win now. After spending hundreds in expenses, travel, food, slots, I found myself single, out of shape, homeless, broke, depressed, felt lost with no friends. Alright guys, so as you can tell right now, things aren't looking like they should for me, and hopefully this vlog can be the start of something great and bring me back to the top. So as of right now, I'm currently had to move out of Panorama and I had to move into my friend's tiny apartment. Here's the plan for the vlog, guys. I wanted to show people how fun poker is. People who know me, they know I like to have fun at the tables. I think I could be a really good poker ambassador. What I want to do is create a vlog that shows me playing poker, living my life, and creating goals for myself so that I can be once again on top of my poker game. And as a bonus, I really want to be a poker ambassador and show people how fun poker is by showing you guys, you know, the real world of poker. It's not all, you know, glory and fame, but it's, you know, it's tough. But at the same time, I do want to show you when things become fun and what it's like to, you know, to have fun. And let's get started. Let's talk about my goals for this vlog. For poker, I'm going to be going out once a week playing poker, probably a tournament because I play on the circuit a lot. I have the most rings without a cash on the tournament circuit right now. I have 47 cash without a ring, which is the all-time leader for most rings without a cash. Gassing hands with you guys, just same as other vlogs. Hopefully you guys give me some help because I could really use it. Friendship, I'm going to be meeting up with a friend once a week, going and doing something fun, whether it's playing a daily tournament, going to the bar, partying, you name it. Just reconnecting with friends because I went out and traveled a lot. I'm going to plan on working my health by working out and having fitness goals every week. I'm going to have finance goals, which are to make money, which you'll see in a second that I got a job at Bellagio. Just got a voicemail from Bellagio, which we auditioned for dealing there. So let's check out the voicemail. Is he going to say, yes, you're going to be an official Bellagio dealer, or no, sorry, try again next time? Yes, we got it. We got it, guys. We're in the Bellagio. Woo! And each week we're going to show if I got those goals done. So next week we're going to get into our actual goals. So for the first episode, I decided to play a little 1-2 session at the Peppermill in Reno, Nevada, just to get the ball rolling. I expect next week to be full dive into tournament poker and all the exciting things that will happen in my vlog.
So what are we doing here at the Peppermill?
We're going to be playing some poker. Hopefully we'll run into some of my old friends from Reno. Really need to start making money, so hopefully we'll do well. I've got $300 on me, so I'm not going to play 2-5. I'm going to stick with 1-3 or 2-3 or whatever. And we'll play really solid and no shenanigans this time. We'll wait till we build the bankroll back up.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice hand. How do you play that?
Too bold. Let's do it.
Yeah, and the cash.
I'm good. I'm really good. Yeah, I deal with Bellagio now, actually. Alright guys, welcome to Caps Recaps. This is the part of the show where I show you guys a couple of my hands that I played during a session of poker, and we talk about my hands, and then hopefully I made the right play. And if not, you guys can leave me comments and let me know what I could have done better or how great I played it. This is the first hand of the Peppermill Reno. We played a quick 1-2 session, and obviously we're going to start pocket queens. We get our pocket queens in the hijack, and obviously we're going to raise, so we raised it up to $12. It folds around to the big blind, and he makes the call. Go to the flop. It checks to us, and now we have to decide whether to c-bet or to check it back. Now this is a good spot, I think, to check back, because heads up, it's unlikely our opponent has a king, and we can try to find ways to get him to bluff later on and take this hand to showdown. And if we c-bet, he's just either going to continue with better, and he's probably not going to bluff that much on this board since we have blockers to semi-bluffs that he decides to try to bluff on. So I'm thinking, let's just check this back and try to see if he can bluff it on the turn. Turn is the 4 of spades. He decides to now bet $15, which obviously we set him up for this, so of course we're going to call. So we make the easy call, and we goes to a river. River is a 3 of clubs, and now he decides to check, and as much fun as it would be to try to bet and get some very thin value, I don't see many hands that he checked the flop and bet the turn with. Maybe a jack, but I just think that he was bluffing it too much, or just has a king that's allowing us to bet, maybe even hit a 3. I just don't think we can get much showdown value. I decide to check back, and he ends up showing us ace-5. This is exactly what I suspected. I thought he was bluffing, and he was, and we ended up taking down the pot. First pot of the vlog, we won. Let's keep it up. Let's check out the second hand.
Lucky million.
That's a good number. Hey, yeah, 13 too many. In this hand, we started with Queen 9 suited in the big blind. There was 2 limps, and the lady in mid position raised it up to $12. Came back to us, and we decided to make the call, trying to flop something big, assumed the other 2 would call as well. $48 to the pot. Came down Queen 3 9. Both the limpers checked, and the middle position player bet $45. Obviously, there was only one decision for me to make with my $86. Went all in. They both folded. She immediately called. And just like that, there's $220 in the middle. Let's see what happened. All you can eat, baby. All you can eat. All of it. You said call?
Go with that river.
2 pair. Thank you. We had to take off. Told you it was only going to be a short session. Had to get back to Vegas.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
That's going to do it for our first episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm going to produce many more, and it's going to improve time and time again. But I just wanted you guys to get a little bit of a backstory of me and my journey, and then see me play a little bit of poker. Next week, we're going to dive in and play some tournaments and have a lot of fun, and hopefully build up our bankroll and meet our goals. So join me next week. I hope to see you guys there. Follow me at Jesse J Caps on all my social media networks, And you guys don't forget to subscribe and like, and also do that for Poker News. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm out.